Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I'm not gonna give an excuse, no explanation, just hey, what's up, hello. Your girl is back, and I was gonna do like a whole update, like hair update, like sit down video, but I was like, no, because I feel like that's what I do every single time I come back after a long time. So I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna hop right into doing a week in my hair. First off, shout out to all of the people that I have met in person recently, and all of the people who have recognized me on TikTok. Because y'all, I love TikTok. I've had a few videos go viral recently, and so many of you commented like, oh my gosh, I used to watch you. And it just made me feel good, and it made me like, I need to go back to posting. I guess I never really realized how many people were actually watching my videos, because it just does not feel that way. It did give me a little boost, a little kick to get back to posting. I would always say that I want to get back, but I don't actually do it. So here I am actually doing it. So onto my hair. I freshly washed and deep conditioned my hair 2 days ago, and then blow dried it, and then yesterday I straightened it. I just had this little doobie cap. I forget what it was called. I just got it off Amazon, and it came in a 2-pack, and this came yesterday. I was using some type of like something else on my head that was similar to this, but it was really tight and hurting. This one is perfect, and I should have been got these. I used my ceramic flat iron, my Seduce ceramic flat iron, to flat iron my hair, and I have not used that flat iron in a very, very long time. I was using my Babyliss titanium flat iron, and I don't think I'm ever gonna use that again on my real hair. I just feel like it was burning my hair, like literally sizzling my hair. I do have heat damage. I know it's been a minute since I posted, but I think my last post was from when I cut my hair into like a short blunt cut. I curled my hair on 1.5-week-old hair, and I just knew that day that I burnt it. When I washed my hair after the time that I was pretty sure I damaged my hair, y'all, I kid you not, my whole entire head was bone straight. Like, I damaged the mess out of my hair. All of this is probably heat damaged hair. So I think I'm at either slowly trim it off or just cut it off. I don't know. We'll see when the time comes. I am tired of it, so I am here to cut my hair. Oh, I got that out. Got a little bit too sizzle happy. I did not mean to cut that much. Why did I do that? Bruh. Looking down at the hair, I'm really not cutting that much. But when I'm looking at my face, Dora, Dora, Dora the Explorer. I felt so cute the last time I cut my hair. Is this cute? Is it better as a side part? So I'm just gonna have to wear my hair like pinned back or something. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to think. I'm not in love with it, but I don't hate it. I will see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, my hair is looking a little bit crazy. It rained today, so it got really humid. So I had to pull my hair back up into this bun. So it's a little bent out from the bun. I got a few compliments throughout the day, so I don't feel as like about it. I'm enjoying the fullness of my hair. I'm not used to fullness like this. Right now I'm just focusing on strengthening my hair, growing it out evenly, and yeah, so feel better about my hair. I will let y'all see how it looks tomorrow. I'm gonna do my whole wrap with the net, and I'll see y'all in the morning to see if it chills out. Hey y'all, I kind of went MIA. I don't know how long it's been since I last since the last clip. It's probably been a few days, and I'm about to wash it because it's looking crusty. I want to see what my curls are looking like, and I'm about to do a fresh flat iron and possibly put some curls in it. Hey, what's up? Hello. All washed now. Got most of the heat damage gone after that cut. So most of my heat damage is basically in the front, but like y'all can see that, like curly, 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 straight. But in the back, where I guess not just the back, everywhere else, I'm basically heat damage free, which is a yay. We are all straight. I don't know how this is gonna go, but we'll see. Face them down. I need hairspray. I don't have any. Here is the finish. I think it looks cute. I'm about to run to the store to get some hairspray. Speaking quick, because I don't know if I have the space for this. This is the next day. My hair was just all blown up from the humidity. I was out late. And so this is what my hair looked like when I woke up today. I just put my scarf right on top right here, or this net, then I put the scarf on top, and then I put the bonnet on just to basically keep everything down and flat instead of wrapping. That method was a lot better than wrapping. I feel like that's why my hair is looking how it looks. Has body, but I like it. I still want to definitely try out some type of curling method so that I don't have to do heat. Didn't do heat today, but just so I don't have to do heat. Hey y'all, I feel like I'm about to look crazy because I tried the 4 flexi rods, but as I was putting them in, I was like, I feel like it's gonna be a disaster. I only wanted to do it with 4. I feel like I'm gonna have to do more. My sleep was, see, like this was a smaller section, so I feel like that's looking okay. The big sections is where I'm like, ooh, I don't know. Oop, my glasses. It's kind of just floating. This is it. It doesn't look terrible. It looks a lot better than I thought it would and how I felt that it would. Definitely want it to fall. So hopefully as the day goes on, it falls. It's not too bad. I think I still need to experiment. Good morning. Getting ready to go apple picking. This is my hair. Well, I went and ran some quick errands this morning. But this is my hair. I'm trying to think of what to do today. Don't hate me, y'all, but I probably am just gonna throw in some quick curls. The heat is gonna be low. I'm not gonna go all over the head. I just wanna do, I feel like the back is fine. I just wanna do something a little extra just right here. And then that's it. And then I'm probably gonna wash this weekend, or I'll just have to go the whole next week like this. Haven't decided. Putting in some quick curls, but that's literally all I'm doing. I'm not even holding it on for that long. I'm just doing wrap, take it off. Wrap, take it off. Wrap, wrap, take it off. Yeah. I try to do it going away from the face, but I always feel awkward doing my right side since I'm right-handed. That's it, y'all. Throw some hairspray in. And that's it. See how quick? But this is it. This is how I'm looking. I'm gonna go. Oop, getting lotion on my necklace. I'm gonna go now because I'm running late and I need to throw down this French toast real quick. This is officially the end of this video, y'all. I hope you all enjoyed it. So please take care of yourselves, be kind to yourselves, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.